This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get started with Webull. Download the app, create an account, and finish identity verification to unlock trading. Next, secure your account with two-factor authentication and a strong password. Then link a bank account via ACH to fund your balance. Finally, explore paper trading to practice without risk before committing real money to live trades and orders. Start by entering your legal name, social security number, and address to set up your Webull account. Carefully choose individual or joint account type, depending on tax considerations and investment plans. Complete the electronic signature and agree to disclosures to finalize registration. After approval, set up preferences like watch lists and alerts so your app reflects the stocks and ETFs you care about for quick monitoring and faster decision-making. Fund your Webull account with ACH transfers from your bank, which usually take 1 to 3 business days to clear. While you wait, try paper trading to practice order types, timing, and position sizing without risking real money. Begin live trading with small allocations and diversify across stocks and ETFs to manage risk. Set alerts and monitor positions regularly to learn how market movements affect your portfolio over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.